A lion. This is a lion. It is a large animal. It likes to hunt for its food. Lion have 4 legs and a tail. They are brown. Male lions have a brown mane around their head. A tiger. This is a tiger. It is a large animal. It likes to hunt for its food. They are carnivores. Tigers have 4 legs and a tail. They are orange with black strips. It is the biggest cat in the world. A horse. This is a horse. It lives in a field. It is brown in color. It runs very fast. It can pull a carriage. It likes to eat grass. We can ride it for fun. It neighs. A panda. This is a panda. It is a large animal. It likes to eat bamboo. They are herbivores. They have 4 legs and a short tail. They are black and white. They love to eat and sleep. The bear. I see a bear. It is very big. It is walking slowly. It has a short tail. It is like a big pillow walking on a meadow. Cow. It is a cow. It is black and white. It says moo. It likes to eat grass. We likes to drink its milk. We can eat its meat. It has 2 horns on its head. It lives on a farm. Goats. These are goats. They like to jump and play. When they are young, we call them kids. They have 2 horns on their heads. They like to eat grass and hay. They say mare. Camels. Camels are mammals. They have long legs. Some camels have 1 hump and some have 2 humps. The slave fox. The fox has a long snout, pointy ears and a fluffy tail. He is very quick and sly. He lives in the forest. He is a very good hunter. A deer. It is a deer. It lives in the forest. It likes to eat leaves and grass. It has antlers on its head. It uses antlers for fighting. Some deer can be big and some can be very small. A sheep. This is a sheep. It loves to run and jump. It is black and white. It gives us wool to wear. It likes to eat grass. A baby sheep is called a lamb. It says baa. A monkey. This is a monkey. It is a small animal. It likes to eat fruit and nuts. They are omnivores. Monkeys have 2 hands, 2 legs and a tail. They are brown. They can jump and swing from trees. Rabbits. These are rabbits. They like to hop and dig. They live and feeds in forests. They dig holes to live in called burrows. They like to eat grass and vegetables. They are small. A shark. This is a shark. It is gray. It likes to eat fish. It has a large jaw and fins.